Kamusta mga kakusing? Today, gagawa tayo ng smoked chicken. Tara! 3 piraso to. Yung gagawin natin medyo babaakin natin to. Tapos saka natin ibubuka para lutong-luto. Sige, umpisa na natin to.
Seconds later.
Guys, okay na, nakaprepare na yung 3. Kaya natin ng oyster sauce. Guys, naglinis ako ng kamay ha. Palinam lang. Ito na yung pinaka-pampakapit natin sa mga seasoning niya.
A few moments later.
Nalagyan natin yan. Parang meron lang siyang tray. Sana magkasya yung 3 dito. Siguro kasi naman. Kartihan na lang natin.
while. Flashback. End of flashback.
At ayan na nga po mga kakusing! Fresh na fresh at bagong-bagong luto na po ang ating smoked chicken. Smoked whole chicken. Gawa po yan of course sa nag-iisan. Kuya JP! Ayan.
3 hours lang madahang apoy.
Para alam mo, juicy yung itsura niya. Itsura pa lang na nakakalaway na. Parang
Tapos meron tayo dito
Siyempre, parang ano to?
Fried potato.
Para naman.
Iwasan na natin ang kain dito.
Pero carbo din. So, hindi po kami titigilan at hindi po kami magsisinglaki ng size ng mga kuya. So, hindi na po namin makakatagalin. Paano po bang hinihintay natin, guys? Mga kuya,
Let's get ready to rumble!
Grabe, ang sabaw
Sabi ko
niya.
pilasin yung isang leg. Pilasin yung isang leg.
Wow!
Ayos! Juicy!
Ang juicy.
Napakasimple lang ng ingredients ito. Salt, pepper, tapos oyster sauce. Ganun lang. Nag-add lang ng flavor yung smoke niya talaga. So,
At syempre guys, habang kinakain namin ito, pakinggan niyo muna ang ginawa namin music para sa inyo. Sa aming Singit!
You and I shouldn't even try making sense of fate. I forgot how we ever came this far. I believe we had reasons, but I don't know where they are. So blame it on my heart. Oh, love moves in mysterious ways. It's always so surprising. Another piece over the horizon. I love you for the rest of my days, but still it's a mystery of how you ever came to be, which only proves that moves in mysterious ways. Heaven knows love is just a chance we take. We make plans, but the loveliness the lead of faith. So hold me close and never let me go. Even though we think we know which way the river flows, it's not the way love goes. Oh, love moves in mysterious ways. It's always so surprising. Another piece over the horizon. I love you for the rest of my days, but still it's a mystery of how you ever came to be, which only proves that moves in mysterious ways. Like the ticking of the clock, two hearts that beat as one, but I'll never understand the way it's done. Love moves in mysterious ways. It's always so surprising. Another piece over the horizon. I love you for the rest of my days, but still it's a mystery of how you ever came to me, which only proves that moves in mysterious ways. Love moves in mysterious ways. Thank you.
At ayan na nga po mga kakusing, sana nagustuhan niyo po yung song na kinanta namin dahil ayan po ay ni-request ng isa sa ating mga viewer, ang ating bagong kakusing dyan, si Mikael Martin. Ayan.
Hi, Mikael.
Para sa iyo yung song na Love Moves in Mysterious Way. Bakit kaya? Para kaya kanino yun? Well, anyway, thank you so much. And sige, feel free to request your song. Ayan, na gusto pang marinig galing sa amin. At dyan naman po sa mga kusing namin, gayahin nyo lang po si Mikael. Mag-request po kayo ng song na gusto nyo marinig. Mag-request po kayo. Ito try natin lahat hanggat kaya po namin. Kung meron po kayong gusto ipakain sa atin, paluto kay Kuya JP. Ayan, sagot na po yan ang Team
Yes.
Kusing.
Yung iba baka pwedeng bilhin na lang.
Ayan.